Tiprasa Chakra lukurok tini Tiprasa dofani bagino samung tangna hine Choba nokharmani yakung bai himi Delhi hakotoro tanglai mani tangi sogile keboro tangte tini koktomani bisingti saimangkha hekeba tini o khoroksa Chakra yakung bai himnai hine tini Choba Khai Debit Murasing bisingtino saimangkha borok tangi sogika Asam hastini burulen hodarokni kami wono tangi borok tini buruleni rungsrungi tongnai tini ojamarok bai borok lamsokjaka Kokrajhar tangi sogika hini koktoma saimangkha khoroksa Tiprasa Chakra Debit Murasing bisingtino tini koktoma kasai phaika tini oro borok saikhanarika Kokrajhar ni lukurokno tini obono saka hastini lukurokni kokthai kothamarokno tini o kokrokno no saikhanarika keboba tini borokno chobarokno hamjagino khar yogi tini keboba tini Mwktwi Kwlaikha o koktomarokno saikhanarika Kokrajhar ni burubosongni hoda okra hinai burubosongni tuifang okra rokno borok tini o kok rokno tini hastini lukurokni kokthai kothamarokno saikhanarika tini obono Kokrajhar kamini lukurok Kokrajhar ni burulen hastini o lukurok tini borok belaino wana jaka tini o Debit Murasing ni kokthai kothamarokno khanawi tini tam hingke tini o chobarok sabni bagwi khaijakaba tini nini ani bagino tini o choba tini obono hastio tabuk joto hastiono tabuk illegal migrant Bangladeshi Rohingya abaherok hambai tini norokni Tripura hastioto Bangladeshi no Bangkok mani abahaini bagino norok tini tolawo klai thangka hani basa hinjaknai rok no tini manthai soktai no tiye Choba Khai Nini nangkha o hasakawo aini bagino norok tini Delhi hakotoro sakni manthai soktai rok no sanani bagwi horang tisanani bagwi mathangnani nangkha tini dogar butheptani bagwi tangnani nangkha sakni manthai soktai rok no tiye Obahairokni tui tabuk borokni bisingti o burulen hastini lukurokni bisingti tabuk belain wana jak borokni khawobo tini ochini mukhanghai o Tiprasa norok kamawi thangnaika hinino tini borok saikhanarika Debit Murasing no borok taibo Kokrajhar kha hastini lukurokno tini o Tiprasa ani kiching mare kiching chong norok chini mukhanghai kamawi thangnaika phaidi jeng yapri kaisakai Choba Khai leifro jotono thanjakai yapri sedi jotono thanjakai khorang tisadi phiaba hastio norokni Tripura hastio tabuk tamo onglaikha jeng oro tongto teibo nahori tongo norokno o chini mare kiching chong chini mukhanghai norok tamo onglaikha hinino tini buru hastini lukurok khaikeba o buruleni lukurok borok tini hastini lukurokno Kokrajhar kha tini kamawi thangnaika norok tini mahaikeno hani basa hini tongnai norok mahaikeno keboba tini lam sokma panda khailayo keboba tini khakchangma panda khailayo keboba tini o choba nokhanai rokno Mwktwi bai kungtwi bai khe nairigi holayo keboba tini hastini lukurok norok keboba tini amahaikeno salai tongkha mayung thangma baise tini pamtwi kaigya sinjo thangma baide pamtwi kanglani obono borok wana jakha hastini Tiprasa luku hinjaknai rokno phaidi jeng jotono phanchakhai yapri selayano thanchakhai Choba Khai layano thanchakhai Delhi hakotorok khorang holayano chini mare kiching Tiprasa rok norokni manthai soktai rok obo haike tongkhakai manglak norokni manthai soktai rok khorang tisadi jotono palbaksa yapri kaisakai Delhi hakotoro thanggi yapri selaidi Tiprasa ni manthai soktai rokno nanani bagwi dogar buthebidi hakotorni bufa hinjaknai rokno hinino tini burubosongni lukurok hastini lukurokno message khaimani koktoma asai phaika sal jora tongkho norokni bagwi tini ishor kaithor hinjaknai rok norokno naikhor tongo tini mataino diaine rok naikolui tongo norokni manthai soktai rok jora tongkho tini norok kama sugui thangyako norok kama sugui thangkakhai boroi khorang reinai phaidi jeng joto pal kaisakai yapri selayano hinino tini burulen hastini lukurok tini o Kokrajhar ni lukurok bahaino tini hastini lukurokno saikhanarmani koktoma kasai phaika hastini Tiprasa lukurokno
ग्रेटर टिपरा लैंड की मांग को लेकर देश में हड़कंप। त्रिपुरा में टिप्रासा समुदाय ने फिर से एकजुट होकर आवाज बुलंद की है। डेविड मुरासिंग के नेतृत्व में दिल्ली की ओर पैदल मार्च जारी है। टिप्रासा कोर्ट की मांग जोर पकड़ रही है। संविधान के तहत अलग पहचान, जमीन का अधिकार और सांस्कृतिक संरक्षण की मांग पर आंदोलन तेज। इस बीच एक और बड़ा खुलासा, त्रिपुरा में बांग्लादेश से हो रही अवैध घुसपैठ पर कोर्ट ने भी जताई चिंता। टिप्रासा नेताओं का आरोप है, अवैध माइग्रेशन से जनसंख्या संतुलन बिगड़ रहा है और आदिवासी अपनी ही जमीन पर बेगाने बनते जा रहे हैं। डेविड मुरासिंग का ऐलान, हम समझौता चाहते हैं, लेकिन अगर नहीं मिला तो ये आवाज पूरे देश में गूंजेगी। अब सवाल सीधा है, क्या केंद्र सरकार देगी टिप्रासा अकॉर्ड को मंजूरी और क्या रुकेगी घुसपैठ? जुड़े रहिए छाती टीवी के साथ। टिप्रासा किन? टिप्रासा की हर धड़कन, हर संघर्ष की आवाज हम लाते हैं सबसे पहले।
Actually, this was the campus of Bagwi University earlier. Yeah, from 2000. It explain to me. Yeah, explain again. From 2009, it was the university.
This is the statue of Borufa, na?
Borufa.
Upendranath Brahmaji.
Yeah, this is father of Bodos. So we have a total of 17 departments here.
In university.
Yeah, in this university. Yeah. And affiliated colleges of this university.
This is university guest house, na?
No, not guest house. This is the departments. Guest house is there, over there.
I am staying here before 3-4 months ago.
Acha.
When the Jathuma was conducted by the
Yeah,
Raju,
yeah, yeah,
the
yeah.
Rajuda.
Guest house is there.
There, na?
These are the departments here.
Yeah.
So they kept English and Assamese department.
This is.
Yeah.
Ground floor is English,
Yeah.
first floor is Assamese.
And your good name is?
My name is Kwlaikha Tiprasa.
Jakung sir.
I'm a student of history department.
History, na? Oh, I like history very much. Because I was also a student of not history, political science, but it's related to history, na?
This building name is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar building, and we have 3 departments over here. Social science is the look at the side. Yeah, this one. History, pol science and economics.
So you will be walking and going to Delhi, right?
Our
What is the
yeah.
motive? Yeah.
What is our motive?
Yeah.
Just wait. हम खैला अरबी भाई हम लाइट कहाँ से सक दे मुताबिक चेक करवाने का लाइट just wait yeah just लाइट सक कर दे कैमरा ले ये so you are asking about our movement, na?
Yeah.
So actually, Tripura was a princely state,
Yeah.
and it was ruled by 184 Tripura kings.
Yeah.
So we marched with India in 1914 and 15 October. So before the merger with India, but when the partition between India and Pakistan, at the time, so many Hindu Bengalis, because of that riot, Muslim between Muslim and Hindus. At the time, so many Hindu Bengalis, they come in Tripura, and slowly they changed the demography of the state, and within 20 to 30 years, we became minority in our own country, own state, and at that time our Tripura people, they are not too much educated, and they are not they have no understanding the politics and the democracy system of the democracy. So what happened? The power struggle and the political struggle that started after 1960s, 70s between the Bengalis and the local Tripuris. So at that time, we compelled to demand 6th schedule, like the BPC. So, and Tripura is not under the state of Assam. but that all the which states, which regions are under the Assam, they have right to demand the 6th schedule. But Tripura have no right because it's not under the state of Assam. It's under the Bengal. At that time. So we compelled to demand the 6th schedule in our own state to preserve our lands, lands and property rights. So after that, finally in 1984, we had Prime Minister. She passed the law to form the 6th schedule under the state. So then the proposal of the 1984 and it's continued. But of the Kerala, our people, they have so many books after getting TPPC, but practically TPAD is not sufficient to give the safeguard to our people. And TPADC has they don't have so many powers. They have compulsory duties like that land powers. They don't have a land power. I want to provide this land, the land rights and forest. I want to give the patta, and they don't have the taxation powers. GST, that GST, CGST, ex-GST and taxes, all are controlled by the state government and the central government. So we don't get any taxes. And so many powers, what we need, get about included in TPPC. And even education power. Today, the situation is like that. So Bodo people, they get their language is now included in HCD, but in their language. So in our Tripura, we are not familiar.
खास मध्य बर्मा रूमी मुरासी और चित्रा है चित्रा और एक सूरज के बर्मा
सिंगर है ना
हाँ सिंगर
मेरा घर काफी है।
हाँ वो सिंगर वो
रूमी मुरासी रॉकी का बहन
रॉकी मुरासी का बहन था। अच्छा अच्छा सभी में बुलाया था मुझे
बात करेंगे अभी।